Hey guys, welcome to Belly Over Mind with me, Baby Menon. A tall, refreshing glass of ginger ale is a fantastic drink and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. Ginger ale is quite simply carbonated water, sweetened and flavored with ginger flavored syrup. Today I am here with you to show you how to prepare ginger ale syrup and ginger ale. Ginger is a superfood with innumerable benefits. This homemade ginger ale or ginger squash boosts immunity and it's refreshing. Sweet and slightly tart, it's one of the most refreshing drinks. This homemade ginger ale recipe takes a few minutes, but it's well worth the time. Preparation time 5 minutes, cook time 10 minutes, total time 15 minutes. Here's what you'll need to make ginger slurry. Water 1 liter, 1 cup granulated sugar, 50 grams freshly peeled ginger root, quarter teaspoon turmeric. To make ginger ale we need 2 tablespoons ginger juice, that's a concentrate, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a glass of soda water, that's a carbonated water or plain water, crushed ice cubes, 1 lemon slice for garnish and mint leaves for garnish. Let's get cooking. Take water in a pan and let it roll boil. Meanwhile, in a blender, blend the peeled ginger along with some water. Add it to the boiling water. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Even though you can look at the shelves in any supermarket and find various brands of ginger ale, making your own creates an entirely different and remarkably better taste. You can make a 2-liter bottle of fresh ginger ale straight from the ginger as long as you have the right ingredients. This is a very simple recipe, something anyone can easily pull off. Add in sugar. You can add sugar or jaggery or honey as per your preference. You can adjust the sugar according to your sweetness level. I have added very little sugar here. Add in quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. It enhances the color. And once the sugar has dissolved, remove the pan from the heat, place it to the side, cover and allow to steep till it attains room temperature. Once done, pour the syrup through a fine mesh strainer set over the bowl. Press down on the bits to get all the juice out of the concoction. Now discard the ginger pieces left over in the mesh. You can prepare the syrup and keep it over for a month in a fridge. Once you have the syrup ready, all you have to do is add club soda, lemon, mint, and your ginger ale is ready. This recipe is a great springboard for so many beverages, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. To make ginger ale, add 2 tablespoons of the concentrate slurry to a glass. Take mint leaves and crush them to release its flavor. Add in ice cubes, lemon juice and top it with soda water. Stir well. A refreshing squash is ready. If you do not have soda, you can also make use of plain water. Serve ginger squash or ginger ale chilled in summer and warm in winters. It's not just an immunity booster, it also relieves you from throat infection and gives relief when you have an upset stomach. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to Belly Over Mind if you are not yet subscribed in order to be updated on the latest posts. I will be posting new easy and exciting recipes day after day. Do say hello on other social media networks, Instagram, blog, Facebook page and Twitter. Stay home and stay safe.